nó là thay áo tôm nhỏ lòng gom món ăn cá nó hoặc khăn nọ thiệt hoặc món nó
I'll put it in now. I'm just gonna do it.
Okay.
Use this.
Yeah.
How much?
You know, just half so we can use half of it.
nhỏ mông á thì chỉ hai lục mông á
If it'll break.
This is what we're supposed to do, right?
I don't know.
Seems right.
I haven't made cake pops in forever.
I hope it turned out good.
Yeah. It looks good.
Now we need to form it with our.
Okay. Probably need like a flat thing.
Oh yeah.
If you have any.
Looks good. Good? Yeah. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Should we just use this to dry it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you haven't been mixing this.
It's getting melting now.
Are you doing it?
Yeah.
Ở tụi nó mình cái chỉ bóc khúc mông giả cái bóc khúc làm cả giả sữa
Okay.
Should we get gloves?
Yeah. I don't want to get in my nails.
I don't either.
Luna come
She's like, huh?
I'm gonna.
Her ears go off when you put on her nail. Her ears always off.
No. Something it was off. Like when she's embarrassed.
Embarrassed?
Yeah. When she's sad.
Oh, they're sticking. Is this too big? Yeah. Like this?
Yeah.
I guess. No, that's too big. That's too big. Yeah. Make it a little smaller. Got it? You know, Starbucks, each of these costs like $2.79.
Yeah.
So expensive.
Everything at Starbucks is expensive.
Too small. Oh my god, yours were so big compared to mine.
Are they?
Are mine too small?
Oh. K-pops are supposed to be kind of big though.
Really?
Yeah.
They're supposed to be bite size.
No. You're supposed to take like 3 or 4 bites.
Precious. We haven't even done our corn dogs yet.
Oh yeah. That's not nice.
We might just have to do it. It'll be okay, right?
Mhm.
As long as it cooks, right?
Yeah.
I forgot about this.
Oh yeah.
Are you gonna eat this much?
Mm,
This is actually a lot.
yeah. Okay, I'll take it.
Okay.
I'm recording them making chocolate. K-pop?
Yeah.
Oh.
Where'd Chelsea go?
She went to go take her jacket off.
You're so funny. You go away. Chừng Thai YouTube nè.
Wow, look at you. Good job.
Can wait until taste.
Our dog's supposed to sing.
Yeah.
Should we just do it after this?
Yeah.
You baking cake?
Yeah.
I still have a lot of cake after this.
Yeah. How are we gonna finish that? We can't even finish this one right now.
Oh.
We should have just made one. Though.
Yeah. That's okay. And I'll stick up these.
Don't đóng cửa. You have to eat all night.
Yay!
We're done.
Oh, we got the other one.
Okay, let's color.
Did you want to build that thing?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for the
Yeah. Give that to Luna.
You know how to build it?
No.
Can you give us a tutorial?
Instructions right here.
This is also complicated.
Build over here so I can see. Come. Over here.
that?
Oh,
Yeah. Put it in. This is in Spanish.
in English too. What's this word?
Where's the English one?
Ooh, look at me.
Got it? Oh no, what am I supposed to do with this? I don't know, I just have to turn them. I can't poke it. I think it'll be okay.
Oh, that's why you
Got it?
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me put it on there. I should move it a little bit closer. Oh my god. This is the hard part, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's already coming off.
Mine is too. And we should do this first. So let's do
How would you get yours saved?
I don't know.
Oh, you're not gonna dip it yet?
Should we?
I don't know. I feel like I'm just gonna leave this one like this.
Okay. And let it harden so it like stays on the stick.
Oh, okay.
Should we just do that?
It go through, huh?
Yeah.
Oh. Squeeze harder so it tight and strong ball.
Oh my god. This is hard. Oh my god.
You have to squeeze harder so the ball is strong and tight. The ball so loose, so when you put the stick in, it will go through.
Shells, this one's a disaster. I'm just gonna leave it because put frosting on it.
Okay. Sorry, I just took it over.
Luna is waiting to see any drop. Luna.
We shouldn't have made the second one.
Yeah. Why do we like to?
I don't know, you wanted different colors.
So did you.
Let's down one so I can see it. How you finish one. What tao lu con nồng đu đu thì nó chỉ sỏi tụ bà rồi. Chỉ mà cho một lần cho white chocolate. Is that white chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. That's the finished one? Oh, it's not finished. Let's go down.
What are we gonna do? They keep falling down. This one fell down too.
Oh,
We're just gonna have to eat it like that.
yep. Things start coming down one another time. Ít lúc plạ rồi rùa, lúc nào tới plạ đồ nó. Lúc sao tao là plạ thế?
I don't know. Yeah, you're gonna have to chow first, and then it becomes sticky.
Thầu tia chị trong đi lúc nào nè. Chị bịa khó chị nọ xưa.